Now we will learn how to use optional metrics. Optional metrics are another way to make your Google Looker Studio reports interactive, and you will love it. I will tell you why. It is very common that you want to visualize multiple metrics in a single dashboard, and this is an example of my Google Analytics data. I want to visualize views, sessions, conversions, and so on. But I have the same chart type for different metrics. What about if I have a single chart for these four metrics? I will tell you what I am talking about. So I will add a new page and I will go to insert or to add a chart and I will add a time series. Here in the time series, I already have a time series that I am breaking down my data, my date, and views. So I am visualizing my views, but I want to visualize my conversions, remember. So I will turn on the option that says optional metrics that is underneath my metrics. And here in optional metrics, I will add the other metrics. So I will add sessions, total users, and events. I will go to the view mode and I will show you how this works. Here, nothing is happening, nothing is special. But if I hover over this chart, an icon will show up in the top right corner of this chart. And if I click there, you see that I can choose the metrics that I want to display. So instead of views, I want to visualize sessions. I will remove views and I will keep sessions. And as you can see, I can visualize multiple metrics in a single chart. So your charts or your dashboards are not that cluttered. Now, there is something. It is not obvious for users to hover on the charts. So I will show you how to change and to solve that. I will go back to edit. I will go back to this chart and I will go back to style. And on style, I will go to an option that says chart header. By default, your headers are hidden. They only show when you hover over a specific chart. So I will change it and I will put always show. And with always show, your users always will see this icon where they can change their metric. And with this, you can add optional metrics so you have a single chart for multiple metrics and to make your reports interactive on Google Looker Studio. I will see you in the next lesson.